not saying I feel sad about the way you broke my heart, but the last time that I lost this bet, I had to sell my car. Somebody call me a doctor, somebody call me a nurse. Losing a game is a crying shame, but losing at loving is worse. I'm not saying I'm depressed about the way things didn't work out, but the last time that I lost this bet, I had to sell my house. Somebody call me a gypsy, somebody take off this curse, 'cause losing a game is a crying shame, but losing at loving is worse. It's like Jonah 2 when you need a 3. It's like Jonah 3 when you need a 4. It's like Jonah 4 when you need a 5. It's like being dead when you're still alive. Not saying I've gone mad since you left me for another, but the last time that I lost this bet, I had to sell my little brother. Come on! Somebody call me a preacher, somebody call me a hearse, 'cause losing a game is a crying shame, but losing at loving is worse. Oh, somebody call up St. Peter. You better hurry or I might get there first, 'cause losing a game is a crying shame, but losing at loving is worse. Oh, but losing at loving